Okay, first you see it's the black screen here. Okay, we long push this button. Okay, you see? Okay, go. Password. You set up the password by yourself. Okay. Okay, we'll go to the menu script here. Okay, we'll first set up one of the user. Okay, you go. Just for face recognition. Standing about 5 4 seconds. Okay, face recognition is set up. And then is the palm recognition. The hand, the palm is around 30 cm up from the screen here. Okay. Then is the password set up. Okay. Okay. So you see, okay. This then is the card set up. Okay. You see, no. You see, now we finished the palm, the face, password, and the card for unlocking ways. Okay, back. Okay. You see, we just try. Oh, door is open. Okay, we'll lock. Okay, try another. Face. Okay, door is open. Okay. Okay. Okay, cut, unlock. Okay. It's very easy and convenient. Okay, thanks.